Hello everyone. So today we're going to uh, do a little bit of more solving inequalities, but we're also going to graph them on a number line. So up first we have some notes. The important part is if you have less than or greater than, you have an open circle. If you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you have a closed circle. And you'll see what that means in a minute. So up first, we have x plus 3 is less than 10. Okay, normal solving, we're going to minus 3 from both sides here, and you get x is less than 7. Now to graph it, what we're going to do is, we're going to make a number line. Okay, we're going to always include 0 on our number line. No matter what number line we make, always put 0 on it. And then we're going to put our answer. Our answer is 7. So 7 is over here somewhere, right? It doesn't matter if it's to the left a little bit, to the right a little bit. As long as it's to the right of 0, I'm happy. Now, in order to get our, okay, you know what? I should probably make these. Hang on, I don't want to confuse you guys here. I can make these lines instead of dots. Okay, so we have 0 and we have 7. Now we're going to look at our inequality. Our inequality is less than. So we're going to have an open circle, and we're going to put it right above 7. Now from that open circle, we're going to make a line in the direction that the inequality points in. Remember, the inequality is this blue thingy, okay? So the direction that the blue thingy points is the direction that the line goes. So it's going to go that way. And that's it. Okay, so open circle at 7. It points to the left. Okay, so you make a line with an arrow going to the left. Okay, hopefully that was clear. All right, the next one. We have x minus 10 is greater than 50. We're going to add 10 to both sides. We'll get x is greater than 60. But Mr. 60 is so darn big. Well, guess what? All we're doing is putting 0 and 60 on the number line that we're drawing. If it was a computer program, they would have it all nice drawn out for you, but we're doing it by hand. So we got 0, we got 60 on there. Okay, the inequality, right? I'm going to switch colors on you here. It's the green thingy now. So it's going to be an open circle on 60, and it's going to go to the right. Okay, inequality points to the right, so your arrow points to the right. It was that. No question number 2. All right. No question number 3. Sorry, this requires a lot of room, so I have to keep adding a new page. So we have 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 93. Okay, we're going to minus 3 from both sides. We'll get 2x is less than or equal to 90. Divide both sides by 2. And half of 90 is 45. Okay, now we have our number line. We have 0. We have 45. Okay, now because there's a line underneath this, right? Underneath this thing right here, the inequality, the blue thingy. Because there's a line underneath, we're going to have a closed circle. So it's like a period. And it points to the left. Okay, the inequality points to the left. So your line is going to go to the left with an arrow. Okay. And the last one for notes, we have 3x plus 30 is greater than or equal to 18. We're going to minus 30 from both sides. Okay, 3x drops down, greater than or equal to drops down. 18 minus 30 is the same thing as 30 minus 18, which is 12, but it's negative because 30 is bigger. and we're going to divide both sides by 3. Now I'm not flipping the inequality because I divided by a positive, even though my answer is negative. So now when I make my number line, I'm going to have 0. Now I'm going to have negative 4 over here on the left, and we're going to have ourselves a closed circle. The inequality points to the right. Okay, so that's what a complete answer looks like. Solved and graphed. So I'm going to give you 4. Okay, I'm going to give you 4 of them, and you have to solve them and graph them. I'm going to leave them all on the same page here, so you don't have to keep flipping back and forth. Okay, so make sure you solve these and graph these. If you want to work, vertical, you can. Okay, don't be scared by this one. You can do it. Even though I didn't cover just regular division, it's the same thing. All right, less than or equal to 25, but that barely fits. Oops. Not 25. 50. Sorry about that. Okay, so you have 6x plus 2 is less than or equal to 50. Is the last one. Remember, solve them and graph them.